Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to edit a video on Alight Motion. Alight Motion is a powerful tool for editing videos on mobile devices, so here's how you can get started with it. First of all, make sure that you've downloaded the Alight Motion application and make sure to create a new account and log into it. After you open up the account for yourself, go ahead and tap on the plus button at the bottom in order to start creating a new project. Tap the plus button and go ahead and name your project. Select the ratio for your project, resolution, frame rate, and the background. Once you've done with it, go ahead and tap on the Create Project button. Once you click on Create Project, you will be able to open up this new project. Tap on the plus button at the lower right again and tap on Media. Select a video you would like to edit with Alight Motion from your library. Once you choose the video, select it by tapping on it. Soon after you do that, you will be able to import the video. The imported media appears in the layers on the timeline. You can tap and hold the layer in order to make necessary edits. Once you open up the editing panel by tapping on the layer, you can trim the clips by dragging the edges, just like that. Press and hold the edge and then drag it and trim the clips in the timeline. You can split the clip by tapping on the split button right underneath the timeline. As you can see that now the clip has been splitted. Now you can adjust the layer properties like opacity, position, and scale using the editing panel at the bottom of the screen. To add effect on your video, go ahead and tap on the effect button at the bottom of the screen. Now click on Add Effect and choose from the variety of effects from the options. Alight Motion offers a wide variety of effects for color corrections, animations, blurring, moving and transforming, text, etc. You can customize the text properties like font size and colors using the tools. Go ahead and explore the different edit options available, and then once you've added the effect on your video, go ahead and play the video with your desired effect. You can also customize the effect's intensity by dragging on the slider at the bottom after you select one of the effects options. Once you're happy with your edit, tap on the Export button at the top right corner right next to the settings icon. Choose your desired format and then tap on the Export button at the bottom in order to export your videos after editing. Alight Motion allows exporting in various formats suitable for different platforms. So that is how you will be able to edit videos on Alight Motion. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.